Online classes. Now we are discussing the topic of fiction in the previous lectures on the first year classes. We have to define the direction of fiction. We have to define the direction of fiction. Direction of fiction. Direction of fiction. Direction of fiction. If we are placing a force here, this is our mass, block of mass. What is the direction of friction? Here we can see that this is our surface. Always assume two bodies. This is our earth surface and this is our block. The relative motion between the block and the earth is towards this direction, and hence we can say that the direction of friction is like that. This is the direction of friction in the सबसे simplest case. This is a very simple case, and first is the direction of friction, because this is our mass m. This is our ground surfaces. The tendency of the block and the earth surfaces towards like this, and the direction of the friction is opposite to the relative motion. Hence, we can say that the direction of the friction is like this direction. Here we consider two cases. Here two blocks are placed. This is block 1 and this is block 2. And this block moves with a velocity of v. And this is the coefficient of friction u1, and here this is the coefficient of friction in the surfaces, the coefficient of friction in this surfaces. So we have to see that the direction of friction is. So first we have to see that here the direction of friction, this block moving towards this, and the direction of friction towards this is f1. The direction of friction for this block is this, and because we have to know that the direction of friction for action reaction pair for the Newton's law, and the direction f1 is like that. This is the direction of friction. Now here we can consider if this block is moving towards this, and the direction of the friction of the block, this is f2 for the action reaction pair, for the direction on the ground surface, and the direction of f2 is like that. So we have to remember these cases. How we can define the direction of force. Next case we have to consider that we have two pulleys and a weld over here, and a weld over this is our, and this is our pulley, and the pulley is rotating like that, and a block is placed here. This is our block, and block is moving here. What is the direction of friction? Here we can see that the direction of friction in this direction. Why in this direction? Because if we are seeing that this block is moving towards this, and this weld is moving towards this weld is moving in this direction, because of inertia, the direction of friction is like that. This is the direction of friction, this is the velocity of v, this is the direction of friction. And if we are always interested to know where the direction of pulley, where the direction of torque, in the same direction of torque, the friction will always appear. Here we can conclude that if this is our pulley, we can see that the direction of rotation is always defined the direction of friction. This is the direction of friction. So we have to remember these three cases.